The cold like leeches the power out of my scarf as well. God. Thank you, Ingy. Shit. Where's the other one? Two of them got woken up and oh dear. But you just stay over there. Could do with another one of those warming lamps. I see the moon. No! Shit. Fuck off. Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. Don't get eaten, guys. Run away! Run away from this horrible place. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? No! Stay up, stay up, stay up. Go up, go up, go up! No! Miss. Choice chamber, it looks interesting. I'd want a night with a big amount of chat though. Because otherwise it doesn't really work. So, maybe one for a milestone stream. Perhaps by that time someone else will release something that'll do what Choice Chamber does even better, probably. Hey. Oh dear. What? Oh, gyroscopic camera. Yeah, I can actually do this. So they made like a pilgrimage to these mountains? Judging from the amount of tombstones outside, that is... Indeed, 200 followers is in sight. Fair, a 1% engagement of followers is about usual for a stream. So... 10-15 viewers with 200 followers is actually pretty good. Yeah, right, anyway, focus on the game. The game is cool. Where am I going? I can't even see the... Can you even see the mountain? No. Shit. Is that the first time they've taken the ability to see the big mountain area away from you? They tell you that basically all of your people died on this mountain, and then they take the sight of your goal out. It's like, shit. Don't even know if I can die in this game. But I'm sure as hell ain't willing to find out. Is that the second one? No, he's just doing a little pass, I think. They make some god-awful noises, these fuckers. Go, 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 go. That's the biggest the little sound pulse can get now. Jesus. The scarf is like frozen solid behind. Oh, we're out of the wind now. That's better. How did one person died up there? Oh. Oh, okay. Oh wow, that's a lot of badness. Hey. Hey team. Wake up. Jesus. That is morbid, that area. Oh god, this music too. Wow. God. The music in this game is so well done. Even the steps up I've gotten more laboured now that he's cold. I will not be denied! Nothing there. Okay. Okay, I need to get to that rock. No, what? Oh wow, look how big the pip is even when I hold it down now. There, made it. Get on that. Oh my god. Can't even recharge. Whoa. Whoa! No, my scarf! My scarf blew off! Getting up there. It's quite impressive how invested I am. This little red cape man. whatever they are. Come on! Come on. No, come on! I can't even ping anymore. Come on, little guy. What? Where'd it go? Where'd the big bright light go? Come on, man. No! The red dude! The red dude! No! Mm. Come on, man. Saw the ladies in white. I don't know why I think they're female, but I just think they are. Hey, man. Yeah! Scuff! Oh, yes! Come on! Oh, screw you! You're nerds! I am no longer the Red Ranger! I am the Gold Ranger! Yes!